What's the biggest mistake a homeowner can make when interviewing agents? There's a lot of questionable advice out there from personal finance experts or from well-meaning family and friends. They tell you to interview 3 or 4 or 5 agents and pick one. When somebody tells me that's what they're going to do, I have to ask, what criteria are you going to use to compare them and finally pick one? Hi, I'm Frank Polsinello with the Polsinello Team at RE/MAX. And most homeowners admit that they just don't know what criteria they should use or even what questions they might ask. They are going to spend 3 or 4 or 5 evenings interviewing different real estate agents with no predetermined way to pick the one they will ultimately trust to handle one of the biggest and most important financial events of their lives. Most home sellers end up falling into this trap and just go with one of these 4 categories. Number 1, going with the agent who promises them the highest sale price, especially if the price seems unrealistic. If the agent in front of you is quoting you an inflated list price, make them prove the numbers to you. They should be able to back it up with real-time data. The inflated list price that you're quoted in order to get your listing will result in few, if any, buyers looking at your home. Put yourself in the buyer's shoes. Why would they buy yours if they can buy the same home for less money down the street? This is a really big mistake, and you may end up chasing the market down with a series of price reductions, which eventually results in your home finally selling for below its true market value. Number 2 is choosing the agent who promises to save them money by discounting the commission rate. A lower commission does not guarantee that you'll net more on your home sale. According to real estate consultant Bernice Ross, there is a big lie in real estate. It's the lie that reducing the commission always results in more money in your pocket. Nothing could be further from the truth. Virtually all sellers want to get the highest price possible for their property. But no matter what you're selling, maximum exposure to the marketplace is key to achieving the highest price possible. Agents and companies who cut services in exchange for taking a lower commission often cost clients much more than the extra 1 to 3% they save in commission. Depending on the price of your home, that could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Number 3 is choosing the nicest agent. Your agent may be nice, but this doesn't necessarily qualify them to do the best job of selling your home. Your agent's personality will mean very little to you if you ultimately discover that they don't have the marketing expertise to market your home properly, and it sits on the market and either doesn't sell or sells for a below market value. Number 4 is choosing the agent who works all by themselves because you think they'll work harder for you and they'll be able to give you more personal attention. First of all, it's next to impossible for them to juggle all of the important details involved in the sale of your home, especially in this dynamic market. Important details fall through the cracks, and I know this because I used to operate on my own. We have an excellent team behind us to ensure that you're always our top priority and that we're never too busy to address your needs. If you'd like a copy of the questions you should ask any agent, you can connect with me at 905-830-9111 or at polsinello.ca. Thanks for listening.